Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn steps to create your first AWS S3 bucket. So what do you mean by the S3 bucket? S3 bucket is basically used for the backup, restoring, archive, content distribution or hosting the website, uploading the images, documents, PDF. Okay, so let's create your first S3 bucket. So first of all, log into your AWS console. Okay, make sure AWS console you have to log in, right? If you have the account, then please log in with that account. If you don't, then please create that account. I'm using the free tier. Okay, so first of all, in the search bar you have to write S3. Okay, click on that. After that you will get this button, create bucket. Okay, so first of all you have to select the region, in which region you want to create that one. By default it is already selected. Okay, then which purpose, so whatever recommended settings they have selected, you have to use that one. Okay, I'll explain. First of all, the bucket name, so I'm going to add my bucket name. It could be like anything, but it should be within the global namespace, unique within the global namespace, that nobody can use it. So it will already automatically tell you, right? So I'm going to add upload PDF uh, test. Okay, so this is added, right? Copies, if you want to copy settings from the any existing bucket, you can choose the bucket and import that settings. Okay, ownership, by default it's recommended the ACL to be disabled. Now block public access settings from this bucket. Okay, so what does it mean, like blocking? So basically what will happen, leave block all public access on, recommended to keep the data private, and only turn it off if you are hosting a public files like a website. So in that case you can make it public. Okay, bucket versioning is there, so you can do the versioning part, right? Okay, so whenever you want to retrieve or restore the version, you can do that one. Tags, you can use the bucket tags to track the storage cost and organize buckets. What do you mean by the tags? Tags means like, you can say the projects. Okay, like the environment, dev environment, project website. So whenever you want to close this bucket, so helps in the cost tracking and the management for this one. Okay, tags you can use that one. Okay, default encryption server side with the AWS S3 managed. Okay, so default what is selected, you can just go ahead with that one. So optional, enable the default description, encrypt all the objects stored in the bucket automatically, so don't need to touch anything. Okay, so use S3 bucket key for this one, so make it enable, right? Now create the bucket. There is an error, the specified bucket name already taken. Okay, so you have to do something else, right? So test test op, I hope so it is not there, right? And here you can see that the bucket is created. Okay, here you can see the bucket is upload test op, and now in the coming series we are going to upload the bucket images, files, zip, anything over there. Okay, whether it's to be a node.js, whether it's to be a Python, any of the languages, we are trying to upload these things over there. Okay, so be with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.